Movies like Harry Potter sometimes use animals, such as owls. But when the cameras aren't rolling, animal actors are often kept in poor living conditions. This owl named Crash, whose staff said was used in the Harry Potter movies, was housed in an enclosure littered with feces that went uncleaned for at least 6 weeks. This is a look inside Birds and Animals Unlimited, a major animal supplier to the film, TV, and advertising industries. Birds and Animals Unlimited has rented out animals to hundreds of productions, including The Hangover, Marley Me, Game of Thrones, and Pirates of the Caribbean. Dogs, some of whom staff said were used in CBS's show Zoo, were kept in barren, outdoor, pound-like conditions. They were denied bedding, even when the overnight temperatures plummeted to 43 degrees. Other dogs were apparently adopted from shelters under false pretenses so that they could be rented out to film and TV productions. Some animals were denied adequate veterinary care, including this pig named Miss Piggy, who suffered from what a manager claimed was melanoma. This condition resulted in a large, bloody mass and numerous open wounds, which went untreated for months. This young dove was also denied adequate veterinary care and died 9 days after the condition was reported to a manager. At one of the company's facilities, employees said that in order to kill pigeons, they pulled their heads off while they were fully conscious. This employee explained that the birds' heads don't always come off on the first try. These are some of the hidden costs of using animals in TV and film production, in which living beings are treated like inventory. Many productions use lifelike CGI in place of animals, and it's time for others, like CBS's Zoo, to follow suit. Please, don't go to movies or watch TV shows that use live animals. Thank you.